how to properly lip sync your avatar and make it talk naturally, walk, do hand gestures naturally for your AI channel to be monetized without getting any flags or any copyright like this. Let me teach you how to monetize your account on social media by making your avatar talk. Lip syncing is one of the new things right now on social media, and you can use it to do faceless content or open faceless channels and so this AI tool is super good. It actually helps you to lip sync your characters, make them walk naturally, talk, do anything, even drink tea or sip wine while you talk or have a conversation, and create your faceless content. This is very good for those who want to create faceless content and they're shy to bring their face on camera, but they actually want to use avatar. Now you can create different kind of avatars, sitting down, standing up, walking, cooking, and doing any other thing with this app. Today I'll be teaching you on how to lip sync, make your characters talk naturally, and do other movement or other gestures naturally for it not to look like AI. Let's go. Let me teach you how to do this so you can monetize your channel and start earning on social media. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment the next AI tool you want me to review for you or the next AI tool you want me to teach you. Let's go. Let me show you how to do this. So first thing first, you create your character, because of course, before you want to lip sync your video or your picture, you need to make your character, you need to create your character, okay? So what I'll do first is I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll create my character, okay? So now on ChatGPT, I'll just tell ChatGPT to give me a prompt. Give me a prompt to create a 3D pixel style. Okay, we are creating our avatar. So a 3D pixel style character, female character. Okay, let's use the female character, dark skin in her 20s. All right, so this is it. Standing in a luxe apartment. So I'll click here and I'll generate that. So while I'm actually telling you guys this, or why I'm bringing this, is because I want you to know how to prompt for your image, because some of you don't even know how to prompt for image. So before we get to the lip sync, let's do the image, okay? Now I have here, we have the prompt. I'll copy the prompt and still put it back on ChatGPT to generate the image for me, okay? So while ChatGPT is generating this image, for those of you who don't want to generate on ChatGPT, the next place that you can actually generate a very beautiful image is on PixVerse. Now let me take you to PixLumen and generate another image from PixLumen. Now I'm doing this because not everybody can actually generate from ChatGPT because they've not paid, okay? So this is PixLumen, and this is how PixLumen looks like, okay? Now on PixLumen, you have different methods of generation, and this is how the app is upgraded to photos as well. So you click the plus down here, or where you see create. When you click on create, it will bring you here for you to be able to create. So you have your create, then you see what do you want to draw. I'll click there and I'll paste this. I'll paste that prompt that I took from ChatGPT, okay? Then the 3 lines down here beside the prompt, I'll click on them, and then I'll come here and choose the image size, which is 9.6, okay? Photos that I want to be generated to, and that's all. That's the setting I need to do, and I click on create. And then I wait for this photo to be created. So if you do not have ChatGPT, you can use this one for free to generate your image. Most of the times we use ChatGPT because it gives good images, but this gives good images, okay? PixVerse is very good with image. So you see this? Perfect 3D image. Super perfect. You can upscale, you can remove background. You see there? That's it. You can color it if you want to. When you're done, click here and click on generate. Why I like PixVerse to generate my images, they are super fast. Very fast as well. Okay, there you go. Now we go to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT has generated for us. So we have this. So you can see ChatGPT looks more realistic, okay? They look more realistic, nice. But PixVerse also look nice, okay? Like the cartoonish style, good. Now the next thing you need to do now is for you to be able to create your script, okay? Now you want this voiceover and you want to make your character talk. Mind you, you can actually make your character talk with your words, your voice, or you take a voice over from any other tool. Okay, now I'll click here. Now I'll go to the tool to make our character talk. Now the tool I'll be using PixVerse. Okay, PixVerse, don't get confused. The other one was PicLumen, this one is PixVerse. I'll link all the tools in the description box. All the tools in the description box. Please don't forget to go there. Now I'll click on my browser. I'm using it from my browser. Click on my browser and I'll pick this. So we have this like this. This is PixVerse and this is how it looks like. For those of you who have been here, this is how it looks like. Now you come here where you see here down here right at the bottom where you see this moving down, you can see image, video, template, transition, fusion, extension, swap, sound, and speech. Okay, now first thing you come here on video. Okay, when you get to video, it will give you this for you to be able to describe your video. That's you want to turn your image into video. So I'll click here. First off, take a photo and then bring in the video that we created. Okay, so be it this video, we choose this one and then we click here on generate. Now most of the times I always like to we click here on generate. I'll click on this one, generate, and then we have this here. Okay, mind you, after you generate this or after you bring in this, if you don't like it, you can always change it. You can click and change, go back to your library, choose the one that you want. You have this one and then you bring it up. You wait for it to generate. Now for me to show you that you can delete, input something. Don't say, oh, I chose the wrong image. No. Now describe this. Make it turn to a video first before you make it talk. So the first thing I'll do here is I'll just say, make the character talk and do hand gestures. Okay, whatever gestures you want your character to do, you want it to walk, to do whatever you want it to do, just do it. Now I'll click here on create. And I'll wait for it to create. Let's wait for my image to generate. Right, we're waiting for my image to generate. Image generating and turning into video. Okay, yeah, now this is it. You see, but there's no voice yet. Now I'll click on download. I'll click on download this. Okay, I'll click on download that. I'm waiting for it to download. So save to video. It is saved already to my videos. Now I'll go back on this very same spot. I'll come back here. Now down here you see, you just swap down and you look for speech. See, beside extension, swap, sound, speech, you see speech. You click on speech. Once you click on speech, it will tell you to bring in your video. Now you click where the video is, then you click on local file, then you upload your video back. Okay, upload back, bring back this video here. So this is your video. The next thing you need to do is to click done, and your video will be uploaded up here again. Okay, now you can see audio. When you see audio, you click on audio. It will give you the advantage to choose which voice you want to use, which of the voiceovers you want to use. Okay, I'll pick on Isabella. I'll choose Isabella.
I'm Isabella.
Okay.
Life has taught me the value
Okay,
of what's
you can
precious.
listen to the voice before you choose. So we've chosen Isabella. Now, if you do not want to choose Isabella, you want to record your voice by yourself. You see this audio here? It gives you the chance to record yourself, record your own voice, right? So let me say I click on it and record my own voice. It will pause what I'm saying, but let me record my own voice. You see there, it says enter line, upload audio. Okay, upload audio. When you click on upload audio, it will take you to your file for you to bring in any of the audios from your file that you want to use. That is, if you already have an audio in your file that you recorded and you want to use it. Okay, you can just click upload and then put it there. So let's say we choose something like this. This audio might be super long, this one. Okay, let's listen to the audio. Okay, so the audio is very, very long. When you put this audio, and then the next thing you need to do is just click on generate and generate it. Now, this audio is very long. I want to put a shorter audio. I'll X that and I'll just put something very short. So I'll say, I'll type, good morning, people. Good morning, people. Let me teach you how to create talking AI. You click on create. And then you wait for it to generate again. So it is generating again. So we wait. When it's done generating, you listen, and then you know you're good to go. So it's actually very easy. If you've watched till now, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to generate for you. This tool will actually help you generate three free videos a day. Free videos a day. Okay? So yeah, then you click.
Good people, let me teach you how to create AI.
You
Good
see that?
people, let me teach you how to create AI.
Perfect. Easy
Good
peasy,
people, let
lemon
me teach you how to
squeezy.
create AI.
So yeah,
Good people.
that's it, guys. Download your video, click on download your video, and use it for free. Bye. Love you.